So we are going bigger now, but just to show you, there is a giant hole there and the lock is still locked. So that is insane. Literally a giant hole. So we're going to step this bad boy up and they should get it. These drill bits, I'm surprised they're not breaking for a cheap little craftsman. I mean, the lock is everywhere. It's still locked. Look at this. So I guess we'll just rig my phone out here. I'm trying to hold. There we go. I literally have my other Avis lock holding up my phone right now, so irony. Alright. Keep your feet away, ladies and gentlemen, because this shit's about to get real. Bigger lock, here we go. Thank you for that, Avis. Well, if you're a thief, this is this is why the lock was like 70 bucks. It's stuck in there. It's crazy. It's stuck in there, but yet, I have to dry around my drill attach. There ain't nothing left in the lock that doesn't want to give up. There we go. Jeez. It's stuck in there. I want to break the drill bit. I need this size. Okay. Literally nothing left of the lock, and it's finally off. Wow. That thing held on pretty good. Oh, it's a surprise. So I'm trying to think about getting an Avis lock off. Well, jeez. Look at that. Just finally got the lock off, which means I can use my bike tomorrow. Dang. That thing held on pretty good. I'm surprised. I thought it'd take like 2 seconds.